Hello and welcome to Swiss Bags. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the head of a zipper puller in case you have lost one on your suitcase. In this particular case, we are showing how to do it with a model called Cruise. So most probably you will notice that there is a slight spacing opening which let the old puller out. What you can do is you can, with the help of a flat screwdriver, twist a little bit further to make the spacing even a little bit larger. Never too much to avoid breaking the head. And then you take the new puller, which will be provided to you or which you might have still in your possession, and you just slip it back in. You push it back into its space, just like this. Then you could be finished like that, but obviously it's most likely to fall out again. So all you need to do is open your suitcase fully on one side and then almost all the way on the other side. Then you need a tool, a plier, preferably one that has an axe like this one. This one has a protection put on it to just avoid from the metal getting scratched. You put the plier inside. It's a bit difficult for me to film it while I'm explaining, so please excuse the rough filming. But you can see that if you press on it, once you have it in the right place, you will see now that it is back into space and it is nicely holding in. There you go. That's all you need to do to fix it. I hope this will help. Thank you again, and we hope to see you again in the future.